What's up, YouTube? It's your boy BClar87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investment account. Now, the stock market has been going absolutely crazy these last couple weeks. There was a huge correction where lots of gains were wiped out, but for this past week, many of the gains are starting to come back as the market is starting to kind of act right, and there's a lot of green. And I hope that you've been investing and not sold any of your at least good positions that you want to hold on to long term. But enough of that. Let's just go ahead and get into an overview of everything in my portfolio and how I'm doing. Right now, the current value is $20,372. And for today, my portfolio is up $29, but after hours is going down a little bit, $24. For the past week, though, the portfolio is up $318. And if I just show you guys, at least for the past year, I'm still up overall over $4,000, close to $5,000. And that's just because I'm a long-term investor, and majority of the stocks that I own in my portfolio pay me dividends. So I simply just have my drip turned on, which is my dividend reinvestment. So basically, I'm just rebuying, or at least adding, that dividend money into stocks that I already hold. But let's just go ahead and see the stocks that I have and how I'm currently doing. First off, we have Microsoft. I hold 7 shares. In total return, I'm up $431. After that, we have AT&T. I have 47 shares, and I'm down right now $30. Then with Tesla, I have 6 shares of Tesla, and I'm up $1,289. Next up, we have Hercules Capital, 93 shares, and I'm up $446. Hercules Capital is actually one of my favorite companies that I invest in for the long term. I'm making money, and as far as the capital gains, and I'm also making money from their good dividend. They have a very nice dividend that I really appreciate. The dividend is at 7.6%. They have 100% buy rating, and I do have a video on Hercules Capital if you just kind of check out some of my channel, and you can see why I like it so much. But after that, we have Apple. I have 16 shares, and I'm up $216. Next up, we have Bank of America. I hold 23 shares, and I'm up $398. After that, we have Hewlett Packard, this ticker symbol HPQ. I hold 17 shares, and I'm up $209. Then we have MSC Industrial Direct. I hold 6 shares, and I'm up $187. Next up, we have Realty Income. This is the monthly paying dividend company. I have 10 shares, and I'm up $116. Then we have Coca-Cola. I have 5 shares, and I'm up $49. After that, we have ChargePoint. I hold 10 shares, and I'm up $54. Next, we have Golden Nugget Online Gaming. I have 50 shares, and I'm down $98. Next up, we have Starbucks. I hold 2 shares, and I'm up $85. After that, we have the S&P 500 Vanguard ETF, VOO. I have 1 share, and I'm up $98. Then we have Nike. I have 1 share, and I'm up $54. Next up, we have JP Morgan Chase. I hold 1 share, and I'm up $64. Next, then we have UGI Corp. That's ticker symbol UGI. I hold 13 shares, and I'm up $151. Then we have Comcast. I hold 4 shares of Comcast, and I'm up $58. Next, we have A.O. Smith. That's ticker symbol AOS. I have 3 shares, and I'm up $65. Then we have Walmart. Walmart's a retail giant. I hold 1 share, and I'm up just $14. Then we have Rutherford Industrial Realty. I hold 4 shares, and I'm up $46. Then we have Procter & Gamble. I hold 2 shares, and I'm up $11. Next, we have Cisco Systems. I hold 4 shares of Cisco Systems and I'm up $44. Then we have California Water. I hold 6 shares of California Water and I'm up $20. Then we have Nucor, ticker symbol NUE. I hold 2 shares of Nucor and I'm up $96. Then we have Essential Utilities. I hold 1 share and I'm up just $2. After that, we have Johnson & Johnson. I have 2 shares of Johnson & Johnson and I'm up $38. Then we have Flowers Food. I have 7 shares of Flowers Food and I'm up $9. Then we have Caterpillar. That's ticker symbol CAT. I hold 1 share and I'm up $76 in Caterpillar. Let's see. Then we have Eli Lilly. That's ticker symbol LLY. I hold 1 share and I'm up $32. After that, we have Camden Property Trust. I hold 1 share and I'm up $34. TC Energy is next. That's ticker symbol TRP. I hold 2 shares and I'm up just $16. Next to last, we have Hormel. That's ticker symbol HRL. I have 3 shares and I'm down $1.70. And the last stock in my portfolio is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. I hold 10 shares and I am up $6. And then I do have just one crypto coin in my portfolio. That is Dogecoin. I have, let's see, 350 shares of Dogecoin. And total return, I am up $57 in Dogecoin. So that concludes all the stocks that I have in my portfolio currently. That's 35 stocks and then 1 crypto, which is Dogecoin. The reason why I own so many companies in my portfolio is because I want to be very diverse. I do believe that these companies are pretty good, well-known companies. Majority of them do pay me a dividend. The only exception are Tesla, ChargePoint, and Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Those 3 stocks I do have for just as far as the capital gains. I consider them to be growth, so I really hope that those investments work out. But everything else, they pay me dividends, whether they be quarterly or the lone monthly dividend payer that I have in my portfolio, which is Realty Income. But what I do is, as I mentioned, as I receive those dividends, I just simply reinvest them in my portfolio. That is how I grow. As far as my account, I'm putting my money to work for me. And yes, as I mentioned, the stock market has been pretty choppy these last couple weeks, but I've been using that as a buying opportunity. Again, as I mentioned, I've just been continuing to pour into the current investments that I have, and I'm hoping just to develop more shares long term. The overall goal is I would love to have at least like 100 shares in each of these companies. So I'm just building it slowly but surely. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And I just really hope that you're also investing in the stock market, because that's the best way to grow your money for you. Again, as I mentioned, over the past year, my portfolio has went up $4,764 or 30%. And again, that's during the pandemic where lots of people were struggling to make money. My portfolio was working to make money for me. So I encourage you to really invest in the stock market. That is the best way to grow your portfolio. But that concludes today's video. If you like this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're not already subscribed to the BClaw87 channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and you can keep up with my latest videos as I continue to drop them. And also kind of backtrack through some of the videos that I've already made. I've made some pretty good content. I've had some videos where I'm talking about just some of the individuals, companies that I hold, as well as just, some recommendations that I believe that you should put on your watch list or even kind of start to develop a position in. And lastly, if you're not already investing in the stock market using Robinhood, I will have a link in the description box where you can download the app for your phone and you can start investing for yourself today. Trust me, you're going to appreciate it long term. You need to be invested in the stock market. If you're not, And the best way to do it, or at least my personal opinion, one of the best ways and easiest ways, go ahead and go to Robinhood. So I will have that link. Click that link, download the link for your phone. You can start investing. Your very first stock, you're going to get it for free. And if you're looking to get into crypto and buy perhaps Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the other coins that are out there, I'm also going to have a Coinbase link in my description box as well. You go ahead, click that link, and you can download the Coinbase app for your phone. And if you deposit $100, you're going to get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So that's just basically like money that you definitely want. You want to get you some free Bitcoin, or at least $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Download that Coinbase link that I'm going to have in my description. And again, if you want to get one free stock, download that Robinhood link that I'm also going to have in my description. So, yep, like, subscribe, and I appreciate your time, everybody. Peace.